Good morning all of you. We are starting exercise 20B today. Starting by first question. Question number 1. A rectangular grassy plot is 75 meter long and 60 meter broad. It has a path of width 2 meter all around. It's on the inside. Find the area of the path at the cost of constructing at rupees 125 per meter square. You can see that the rectangular grassy plot I have taken like this. It is given that it is 75 meter long. This is 75 and 60 meter broad. It has a path of width 2 meter. The width of this path is 2 meter all side. And it is all around inside it. That is inside this one. So this is the path. The unshaded portion is the path. We have to find the area of the path and cost of constructing at rupees 125 per meter square. Let's see. Given the length of the rectangular plot including path, that is the total length is 75 meter, breadth is 60 meter. So total area of the rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth, that is 75 into 60 is equal to 4500 meter square. Width of the path is equal to 2 meter. Then we can find what is the area of this inner rectangular block. That is, it is marked as A, B, C and D. So what is the length of AB? Here total length is 75. Length of AB means this width and this one we have to subtract from 75. The width is 2 meter. Here 2 meter, here 2 meter. So 2 plus 2, 4 meter we have to subtract from 75. That is, AB is equal to 75 minus 2 plus 2. It becomes 71. Similarly, for finding the width BC, here also the total length is 60. And for finding the length of BC, here 2 meter, here 2 meter we have to subtract. That is 60 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 56. So we can find what is the area of this inner rectangle ABCD. Okay. Now area of rectangle ABCD is equal to 71 into 56. Okay. 3976 meters square. Now we can find what is the area of the path. Here we are having two rectangles, the outer one and inner ABCD. From the outer rectangle, if we are subtracting the area of inner rectangle ABCD, we will get the area of this path. Is it? That is, area of the path is equal to area of the plot minus area of rectangle ABCD, and which is equal to 4500 minus 3976, which is equal to 524 meters square. This is the area of the path. Okay. Now the cost for constructing the path is equal to 524 into per meter square it was 125. So which is equal to 65,500 rupees is the total cost. Now come to question number 2. Let's read the question first. A rectangular plot of land measures 95 meter by 72 meter. Inside the plot, a path of uniform width of 3.5 meter is to be constructed all around. The rest of the plot is to be laid with grass. Find the total expense involved in constructing the path at rupees 80 per meter square and laying the grass at rupees 40 per meter square. So two costs we have to find and we have to find the total cost. Let's see first. Here this is the figure of this question. Rectangular plot measures 95 meter length and 72 meter breadth. And inside the plot there is a path of width 3.5 meter. And so inside we can get another rectangle ABCD like this. So if we are subtracting the area of ABCD from the area of PQRS, we will get the area of this path. So we can find what is the cost of constructing this path, and we can find what is the cost for laying the grass inside this. Let's see. Let PQRS be the rectangular plot, the big rectangle here. Its area is equal to length into breadth 95 into 72, which is equal to 6840 meters square. Now width of the path. all around it is given 3.5 meter. So AB, this length AB become 95 minus 3.5 plus 3.5, is it? Which is equal to 88. Similarly, BC also, here this width we have to subtract 3.5, 3.5, become 7. 72 minus 7 become 65 meter. Listen, area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 88 into 65, is it? Which is equal to 5720 meters square. Therefore, area of the path is equal to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. This is equal to 6840 minus 5720. Okay, and this is equal to 1120 meters square. Now we got what is the area of the path. Now let's see cost for constructing the path. Per meter the cost was 80 rupees. So total area is this much. So total cost for constructing this, we can multiply them. Answer will be 89,600 rupees. Next one, cost for laying the grass is equal to per meter square it was 40 rupees. So 5720 into 40 is equal to 2,28,800. Okay. Now the total expense involved is equal to 80. Both the values we are adding. We are getting 3,18,400. Let's see question number 5. A room 9.5 meter long and 6 meter wide is surrounded by a 1.25 meter wide veranda. Calculate the cost of cementing the floor of this veranda at rupees 80 per meter square. Listen, here PQRS is the room. Here the length is 9.5 and the breadth is 6 meter wide. And it is surrounded by this veranda. The width of the veranda is 1.25 meter. Okay. First, let's see. Let PQRS be the room with L is equal to 9.5 meter and B is equal to 6 meter. Then area of PQRS is equal to 9.5 into 6, which is equal to 57 meter square. Given width of the veranda is equal to 1.25 meter. Then AB is equal to 9.5, the length of the room plus width of the veranda. At both the sides we have to add this width of the veranda 1.25 plus 1.25. So total is equal to 12 meter. Similarly for finding width of also. BC is equal to 6 plus 1.25 plus 1.25, which is equal to 8.5 meter. Now area of ABCD is equal to, area of ABCD is 12 into 8.5. We are multiplying length and breadth, 102 meter square. Therefore area of the veranda is equal to area, total area is in minus area of the room, that is 102 minus 57 is equal to 45 meter square. Now the cost of cementing the veranda is equal to 45 into 80. 80 is the cost per meter square. So 45 into 80 become 3,600 rupees. Question number 6. Each side of a square flower bed is 2 meter 80 centimeter long. It is extended by digging a strip 30 centimeter wide all around. Find the area of the enlarged flower bed and also the increase in the area of the flower bed. Say this is the figure of that flower bed. You can say this is the bed of length 2 meter 80 centimeter. It's the shape of a square also. And this is the extended area of this bed. Now let's see, side of the flower bed is equal to given this one. That one we are converting into meter. So 2.80 meter. Then area of this bed is equal to, area of a square is equal to side into side. So 2.80 square, which is equal to 7.84 meter square. Side of the flower bed with the digging strip is equal to 2.80, that is side, plus these are the two width of that area. So 0.3 plus 0.3 is equal to, total is equal to 3.4 meter. Area of the enlarged flower bed with the digging strip is equal to, now the side become 3.4 meter. So square of this side is equal to 11.56 meter square. Therefore, increase in the area of the flower bed is equal to 11.56 minus 7.84. This is the area of the bed. which is equal to 3.72 meter square. Listen question number 8 carefully. A school has a hall which is 22 meter long and 15.5 meter broad. A carpet is laid inside the hall having all around a margin of 55 centimeter from the walls. Find the area of the carpet and the area of the strip left uncovered. If the width of the carpet is 82 centimeter, find the cost at the rate of rupees 60 per meter. See, this is the figure of this question. You can see PQRS is the school hall, and ABCD is the carpet, and here width, the distance between the wall and this carpet is 75 centimeter. This width is 75 centimeter. Let the length of the hall PQ is equal to 22 meter, breadth is equal to 15.5 meter. Area of PQRS 22 into 15.5 is equal to 341 meter square. Now, length of the carpet is equal to, length of the carpet means inside this, no? So, 22, from this 22 we are subtracting width from both the sides. 0.75 plus 0.75. It becomes 20.5 meter. Similarly, breadth is equal to 15.5 minus 0.75 plus 0.75, which is equal to 14 meter. Therefore, area of the carpet, which means carpet is ABCD. ABCD is equal to 20.5 into 40, which is equal to 287 meter square. Area of the strip is equal to area of PQRS minus area of ABCD, which is equal to 341 minus 287, and that is equal to 54 meter square. Now, area of 1 meter length of the carpet is equal to 1 meter into 0.82 meter, which is equal to 0.82 meter square. Length of the carpet whose area is, listen, if we got the area of the carpet, the breadth of the carpet is already given in the question, so we can find length of the carpet, area divided by breadth, that is equal to 350 meter. Now, cost of 350 meter long carpet, 60 into 60 per meter it is. So, 60 into 350 is equal to 21,000. This much of rupees is the total cost.